Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by confirming basic prerequisites. Your Vivo has more than 20% battery and mobile data is on. You open Settings, then tap Portable Hotspot or Hotspot and Tethering to reach the hotspot controls. Once there, pause and note current SSID and password so you can restore them after reset. This first step makes the reset predictable and prevents accidental lockout. If you plan to change APN or network mode, keep those details handy. Otherwise, proceed to toggle the hotspot off now to begin the reset. With the hotspot off, clear any paired devices or blocked clients in the hotspot section. This removes stale associations that can cause conflicts. Next, use Configure Hotspot to change the SSID and password. This effectively resets the service. Once done, save the new credentials. If your Vivo does not expose a hotspot reset, go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Reset Options, and choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. This resets APN and tethering defaults. Make sure to confirm prompts, because this also, after saving changes, re-enable the hotspot and verify the SSID shown matches what you configured. Then, connect one client device and enter the new password to test. Once connected, open a browser or speed test to confirm internet access. If it fails, restart your Vivo and try again, or toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds. If problems persist, reset the APN in mobile network settings or perform a network reset. These steps restore tethering functionality without erasing personal files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.